Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy named Jaquan Moultrie. If you're here watching this video right now, it's because you are somebody that wants to make 1,000, 2,000, even $3,000 per day in affiliate commissions. Now, the reason why you're watching this video is because you want to learn how to make money online for free without even having to put $0. Okay? But if you want to upgrade as soon as possible, then you can click the link in the description or you can call this number. But before I get started, guys, if you find this video very interesting in you and you would like more information about how to get started in affiliate commissions, or you want to learn more about what I do for a living, then please continue to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as well, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing whatsoever. Okay? Now, the reason why you're seeing this screen right now is because you would like to learn how to earn $1,000 plus per day with this stupid system, with this stupid simple system. And all you have to do pretty much is call 618-355-1121 and listen to the 1 minute recording and use my promo code no more 9 to 5 to jobs. No more 9 to 5 jobs, okay? Now, if you are somebody that's struggling and you're looking for a way to make a $1,000, $2,000, even $3,000 per day just by sharing a phone number, just like what I'm doing for you guys right now, if you would like to share a phone number, guys, that's pretty much what you're going to be doing. You're going to be sharing a phone number so you can start having your own promo code once you sign up under me and once you become a member of the automated income system. All right. So, guys, this program does work. It does put money in your pocket. But if you want to make money online without even speaking to anybody, I'm gonna give you the ends, all right? I'm gonna give you the ins and the outs of what to do, all right? Now, here's the thing. I know some of you guys are probably saying like maybe this might be a little skeptical. You might think it might be a scam. Okay, call it what you want to call it, okay? But this is not a scam. This is an actual real business that will close your sales for you, and you can receive up to I think either like $16,000 or 20,000, however it goes. But anyway, guys, you can start from 175 all the way up to like 16,000 or $17,000 up to like $20,000. But what I'm gonna say is, guys, earn $1,000 plus per day with this stupid simple system. And all you have to do is call 618-355-1121 and listen to a 1 minute recording and use my promo code no more 9 to 5 jobs. Okay? If you want to learn how to make money online without speaking to anybody, and your coach will close your sales for you. Okay? So that means you don't have to do no talking to anyone. Okay? It's pretty much simple, and we do have a back office, and I want to show you that right now. So if you like this type of content, then give your boy a thumbs up. Comment down below, say, hey man, I seen this video and you are on fire with this. Alright guys, so let me show you the members area, okay? Now the members area, I haven't been on here in a long time, and they just recently updated. So it said, welcome to $1 million concept. Join our Facebook and Telegram group for more updates. If you have any issues, please submit a support ticket and see below. It said my promo code is no more 925 jobs. The number to share is 618-355-1121. Please update your payment processor to complete to campaign to start within 1 to 3 business days. You are a starter packet 250 member. Join us in our Facebook group chat. All support issues handled on our support system.com. Please allow 1 to 2 business days for replies to excluding the weekends. All right, guys. So what you see right now, you can see the new members area. So let me go to here, and let me show you the capture pages. Okay, what you're going to be getting, but you can select which one would you like. Okay. So once you signed up, guys, what I want you to do, I want you to call that number and use my promo code, so that way you can sign up and become a member of automated income system. Okay, all you have to do pretty much is just share the phone number. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. Okay. Now, what you're gonna get if you click on the training, well, here go the training right here. So if I go to trainings, this is what you're gonna be doing. You're gonna listen to a training, okay, and you can accept your payments as you setting up your business, okay, setting up your system and getting ready to go and start promoting it, okay. Now let me show you the ads, the simple ads right here. I'm gonna click the simple ads. As you can see, they give you like pre-written ads that you can share to other people as well. So that means you can copy and paste on different social media platforms, but try to not get carried away with it. Just do it. Just do it a few times, and then after that, you should be good to go. All right. So these are the simple ads that you can promote. The pre-written email swipe that you can promote. Now, I mean, you can copy and paste, and then people can start calling the number, and then with your promo code. So once you signed up, whatever your username is, that's going to be your promo code for people to put in, so they can know who they're going to report to. Okay. So either like for example, if you call that number right now, if you call this number 618-355-1121, and you listen to a number, if you listen to the 1 minute recording, use my promo code because you're going to be reporting to me. Okay. So after you report to me, you're going to be reporting to me. And then after you report to me, then guess what? Then you're going to use my promo code to sign up. And then once you sign up, then that's when you're going to that's when you're going to sign up as a starter. If you want to upgrade, you can start at the starter at the 250, and then I do accept Cash App. I do accept Cash App. I do accept PayPal. I do accept uh, Stripe. So uh, you're gonna have to pay the one-time admin, and then you just pay me $175. All right. So that's how it goes, guys. So yeah, so you can get access to this amazing program for free. And yes, this system does work, and I definitely put money in your pocket. All right. So you get access to this. All right. All right. So basically, what we're going to do right now, I'm going to show you some more. Okay. So Facebook groups, guys. So Facebook groups, you get Facebook group one, you get Facebook group one, you get Facebook groups, and then Facebook names are groups one, Facebook names are group three, Facebook name a group four, Facebook names group five. All right. So if I pick one of these right now, for example, you can see that these Facebook groups that I can select and start promoting on, we can actually start promoting these Facebook groups, start promoting our we can start promoting our pre-written ad that we can copy and paste so people can take action and call the number and use your promo code, because this is very important. If you want to start making 1,000, 2,000, and $3,000 per day, then you have to do what's right for yourself, because at any time, guys, this program would definitely help you make money online. Okay, there's no guarantee that you will make money on the same day, but I can guarantee you this. I promise you that if you can put in the work, and just by sharing the phone number, just by copying and pasting and sharing the phone number with everybody, then you are going to make some good results. Okay, results are not typical, but I will say this: if you could put in 15 to 30 minutes a day of work and just start promoting it, then you will see in the next 72 hours that you just made your first sale. Okay, Let's say you made your first $3,000 days. All right, you're gonna start thanking me like, "Thank you, Jaquan, man, for helping me. Thank you for allowing me to make $3,000." You see, you can make $3,000 or more. It's all in with you. But give me one moment, guys. Give me one good moment, okay? Sorry about that, guys. That was a phone call. Sorry. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that to go off. But anyway, yes. So basically, yeah, you will see some results within 72 hours. So basically, if you wants to, keep if you want to put in 15 to 30 minutes a day and start promoting it, start copying and pasting every day, guys. I'm telling you, you can start making some good money. Okay, do this every day. Do this 30 minutes a day, guys. Just do it 30 minutes a day. Because I'm telling you, if you can rack up so many people, and if you can get so many people that wants to be interested, and they got to live in the United States, guys, and that's the one thing. Because most people that live out of the state or in a different country is not allowed. Okay, so you have to be in the U.S. to able to call the number. Because if you don't live, if you live out of the state or live out of the country, it's not gonna work for you. It's not going to work for you because it's like we get people that's from out of the country, that's from another country that's trying to call this number, and the number does not exist out there, wherever country they're in. Okay, so whatever country they're in is not existent out there. So that means they have to be in the U.S. or international or something like that. But anyway, the only my concern is, guys, if you want to make money online, all you have to do pretty much is just put in the work. Put in the work. If you put in the work, then you ain't got to worry about struggling or having financial problems. Okay? Because if you want to live the financial freedom that you desire to have, and you want to turn your life around just by living good and being good and be consistent and just be right to yourself, and you want to travel the world with your family, and you want to do things while you out in the world or while you out in the community, then do the work. Then you'll see results within 72 hours. Okay, this is why I'm making this video, for a reason, because I want to show you guys this program that allow you to make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, maybe be $5,000 if you continue to do the work. That's all it takes, and all you doing is sharing the phone number. That's all you doing pretty much is sharing the phone number. If you can do that, if I can do that, then you can do it too. Okay, so it's much easier to do that because most of you guys that call yourself that think you got it all, but you really don't got it all. You have to. You have to be the only. I'm gonna just say this: most of you guys who think you got it all, but you really don't. I'm sorry to say about that, but I'm sorry to say it like that, but like you got to you got to stop procrastinating and do what's right for yourself, because if you don't, then how are you going to get somewhere in life? How you going to be consistent? How are you going to be right towards yourself? How do you want to travel? You have to able to put in the work to see results. If you want to travel the world, to go hang out with your friends or family, go do things, go do fun things, and just do excitement things, And that's one thing I'm gonna tell you guys right now. In this life matter time, we all go through struggle, okay? I've been through struggles. Everyone else been through struggles. But going through struggles could be a very hassle thing ever into a person's life. And the reason why I say that is because it's true. I've been through enough. I've been through a lot. I've been through seminars. I've been through crap, you know. I thought I tried everything else, something didn't work for me. But now, since things is working out for me, now it's really changing my life. And the reason why I make videos is because I want to show you and teach you guys on learning how to make money online as a beginner. First, especially if you're a brand new beginner that's new to the affiliate marketing industry. Okay, so that's the reason why you guys are struggling, is because you don't know how to make money online, or or you just tired of working from your 9 to 5 job. Okay? So if you want to learn more about that, guys, be sure to call that number right now. Write down this number so you can earn 1,000 dollars plus per day with this stupid simple system. Call 618-355-1121. Listen to 1 minute recording. Use my promo code no more 9 to 5 jobs. All right? Call that number. And if you're serious about being on my team, then give me a holler, guys. All right? And I for sure want you I for sure want you on my team, and I want to see you make some good money. Okay? What I want you guys to do, shoot me your text. Shoot me a screenshot of your first payment that you just got, and I'll shout you out on the next video. All right? So comment down below and let me know if you're serious, if you want to move forward. All right? Because without further ado, guys, my name is Jaquan Moultrie, and I want to thank you guys for allowing me to do this video and to explain about what this system does and how does it works. All right? So I just want to let you guys know that, hey, if you want to join my team, then welcome. I'm here to help you, and I'm here to assist you at any time. All right? So if you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section down below. All right, y'all. Peace out, man.